So I asked AI to find a good winning products, and here's what happened. You will be also surprised. And in this video, I will tell you exactly from A to Z how you can use AI to find a effective 100% proven winning product to make a profitable dropshipping business. Okay, so let's see this full video. So I asked ChatGPT that you give me in baby niche some keywords that people are searching or making ad creatives in the ad library, okay, meta ad library, because only meta ad library is enough to find a good winning product. So ChatGPT give me some products keywords that are your competitor running on meta, and then you will only copy these keywords and then you will definitely find a good product. So for example, he gave me general baby products keywords like baby product, baby shop, baby store, newborn, essentials, must, a baby must have, baby care. So it's only as like baby niche. If you focusing on other niche like health niche, beauty niche, kitchen niche, so just tell him that give me some very good keywords in your niche and to find the product keyword in the meta ad library, and he will suggest you. Right now you have to do some very smartly, and you have to do some hard things, okay. You have to one by one search keywords. So for example, I will go to baby pillow, okay. So baby pillow, I will go to meta ad library, and just you will see that in here you will make all countries category or all ads, and then just paste the keyword baby pillow, okay. So we will see what products will come. Wait, so it's coming. Okay, so you can see lot of baby pillow products will come, but in here make sure that the ads are running at least 10 days, okay, at least 10 days. So we will see that some products, okay, baby pillow, in here you will see a lot of random ads, okay, baby pillow. Okay, we will move to another keywords. Let's go to baby blanket, okay, baby blanket, we can check. So I don't know what will happen, okay, let's just see what is happening. I don't know what product we will find, but if we do hard work, if we invest our time, our knowledge, then definitely we will find a lot of good products in these secrets, okay, in these systems. So let's see, so baby blanket, this is a good product because these advertisers running a lot of ads, okay, same ads you can see, and 9 November, okay, oh my god, yeah, he is running lot of ads, and this is a good product, okay. So this is the systems that we are we got a product which is this one, but this one's ads are not much running, but it's also good. But you can see these products which is lot of ads. Oh my god, lot of thousand ad creative by this product. I mean this product, 34 pieces big eye steel needle set, okay. And you can definitely test this product. So my friend, you can see I asked ChatGPT a lot of keywords, and I searched one by one keywords, and I found within within 10 to 20 minutes, okay, I found these products. And you can see these products, yeah, I mean these keywords we one by one we searched and we found these ones, okay. And this one is very good product, okay. You can definitely find by these systems winning product, okay. Just follow these systems, inshallah I hope you will find, okay. And please comment below if you need any help, I will help you, okay.